Good morning, students. Hope all are fine at home and also enjoy the too much holidays. But my dear students, it is not your holidays, it is your working days. So my dear students, please concentrate on your studies and also complete your notebook after watching the videos. Now we will start our unit number 8. Unit name is Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty means truthfulness, loyal, fair, sincere. It is the absence of lying and cheating and theft. It also means good deed, do good deeds. For example, work hard, be polite, don't cheat anyone, respect everyone and also help everyone. Now we start the chapter on page number 39. Honesty is the best policy. To be honest means to be sincere or to keep away from all kinds of falsehood. Falsehood means wrong things. One who is honest will say only truth. Which is the honest? He will say, he or she always say truth. He keeps away from lies. Honesty brings along with it peace of mind and happiness. Honesty is the best policy. It is a famous proverb which says it is the honesty that helps a person best in life. Here I am going to tell some reactions which is on your book page number 39. Firstly, listen what I am saying and after that write on your notebook or book also which is honest and which is dishonest. Anjana admitted her mistake. Anjana admitted her mistake. It is honest or dishonest? Yes, it is a honest. Honest spelling HONEST, honest. He always admitted her mistake. Vivek returned the balance amount. Whenever he go for buy any things, after that he return balance. He is honest or dishonest? Yes, he is also honest. Anand copied the answers. He is a dishonest. Never cheat from everyone. Dishonest. Kiran always says the truth. Yes, it is also honest. Now I am going to read a story which is related with one girl. She is very honest. Priya was the best student in whole class. She could spell even difficult words. She used to get perfect score during each weekly spelling test. Reena, who sat next to Priya, was also good in her studies. It was the day of next spelling test. Priya was very confident in her spelling abilities. Therefore, he did not spend much time for preparation. She feel overconfident and she don't do the practice. She knew it would be easy for her. The test began. The teacher pronounced means speaking well each word and then repeated it. Everything was good until she spoke immediately. Immediately means urgently. Priya was confused. She felt confused. Her mind was blank. When we feel confused, our mind always feel blank. Priya saw Reena writing the word. Her eyes rolled to the right. Rolled means moving. She saw the word written on Reena's paper and copied the spelling. Priya remained. Remain means left tense and the nervous. She had cheated for the first time in her life. She cheated, but she thought it is the way I want to keep my perfect record. She felt it is the way to keep my perfect record, but it is wrong. After that, she felt. What is the use of getting full marks by cheating? She erased the word immediately from her paper. After when she realized, she erased that word immediately. As she handed over the paper to the teacher, she smiled with relief. Relief means relax. She feels relaxed on that time. Whenever she erased that cheat word. She thought, so I have lost one mark. Not only my honesty. She only lost one mark, but not her honesty. So, what do you learn from this chapter? Always be honest in every time, every way and every time. So, now it's an activity time. Firstly, true false. To be honest means to be sincere. It is a true or false? Yes, it is a true. Second, an honest person does not lie. Yes, it is also true. Honesty leads to happiness. Yes, it is also true. And last is honest is the best policy. It is also our chapter title. It is also true. In the second part, here are two Indians are known for their honesty. Write their name. First name is Mother Teresa and second one is a Mahatma Gandhi. First one is a Mother Teresa and second one is a Mahatma Gandhi. Both are very honest person in their life. And what is the moral of the story? Always be honest in your life. And do this exercise after watching the videos. Please do on your notebook. Thanks and have a nice day.